But even as the international community struggles to find a solution to Al-Shabaab's increasingly sophisticated recruitment methods, the local British Somali community is fighting back. Qeylodhaan means alarm in Somali. Abdi Shire wrote the song after a suicide bomber detonated himself in the middle of a high school graduation ceremony in Mogadishu. Today, it's one of the most popular Somali songs of all time. But although it's raised awareness, it's also made him a target.
It hurt some people who were not happy, the public, to be told, what was right. So as a result of that, I've been threatened with death, as you probably heard. So people want to silence me and, keep quiet. And I have received emails, telephone calls asking me to shut up.
But Abdi says he's not afraid. His duty is to show his community that the extremists cannot win.
Before we wrote Qeylodhaan, nobody was able to challenge or say anything against Al-Shabaab. And, we believe that, song encouraged people to speak up, to rise up and, challenge, Al-Shabaab and other people who are actually destroying Somalia.
Na'am al-Baghir, CNN, London.